I just bought some window visors or rain guards, and this is what the car looks like before I got to install them. And here it is with them installed. It's a nice visual style upgrade, but for me, more important than that is the practical aspect. Being able to crack the window open in the rain, get some fresh air, and I'm going to show you in this video how to install them. I got these from Amazon. First thing you should do, take them out of the box, inspect them piece by piece, make sure there's no damage, there's no scratches, make sure they are labeled for your car. And with these ones on Amazon, they said that it comes with 3M tape, and they are the outside mount type. Some are also inside the channel type. So what you should do, line them up, make sure they follow the curve of the door, there's no defects with them, and do this for all sides before you start. Next thing you should do, get a rubbing alcohol, solvent, some kind of a cleaner, and a clean cloth, and just wipe that surface clean back and forth. If this was a chrome trim, it would be cleaner, but mine is plastic, so they accumulate dirt a lot more. And have a look how dirty that was. So keep rubbing it until you don't see dirt anymore on the cloth. So I decided to start with the smallest and less complicated part, which is for the back door. Next would be to peel the strip that covers the double-sided tape, and use a knife for this. Do not use your fingernails, so they come off clean and your fingers do not touch the sticky surface and contaminate it with anything. So the small strip is enough to peel it from one end. The longest strip, peel it from both ends, and pull the strips outwards so you can peel them as you stick it. Now to put it on here, this is why I started with the smaller piece, so I kind of get into the groove of things. So my pinkies are holding it from moving down, and my index fingers are just gonna guide it and move it around. And I'm just gonna get it correct with the line of the door here, making sure it's sitting correctly laterally and vertically, so the ends and the center of the visor is not too high or too low. So you gotta worry about all those 3 points. And make sure if it's a curved window visor, it's not sticking out like from the top too much. So peel it here, give it a light rub right now, and peel that and give it a light rub, and try not to push where the strip is coming off, because it might snap, and then you might ruin the job basically. And just like that. Then take a cloth that is clean and dry. Do not use the same cloth that you had the solvent on, because you could damage the finish of this. Just rub it back and forth like that, and then later on you can rub it again and just put a bit more pressure on it. And with this piece I made a mistake. As you can see, this is meant for the driver's side, and I was just kind of rushing through it, but it's okay. Now I have the right part on, and I'm using the masking tape to hold it in place because it's a longer part, it's a longer piece, and it's curved. So I'm using that to just line it up with the curve of the door. As you can see, it's not exactly with the curve of the door because this is an aftermarket part. It's not OEM. OEM would be should be 100% perfect, but this is okay. I mean, it's like a quarter or a fifth of the price. And just use the same process here. You can put the masking tape on 3 locations of the window visor, so that you can make sure the ends are correct and the center is not too high. So this part is on, and repeat the same process. And if I'm going to show you something here, do you see how that corner right there fits with the corner of the door frame? On the other side, it's not as clean. There's just no room to push it up, and this is what you get sometimes with aftermarket parts. It's not a deal breaker, and you can see there they don't exactly line up like the other one, but that's aftermarket for you. So again, here's the car without them installed before I installed them, and here is the car with them installed. I'll leave a link in the description for this product off of Amazon. This was for a 2020 Prius or a 2020 Prius Prime. They have the exact same part number, even from Toyota. I checked with Toyota, they have the exact same part number. And it came out nice. This didn't cost me a lot of money, didn't cost me a lot of time. But the functionality of it, being able to open the window in the rain, have some fresh air come in, is very important. If you're a delivery person, you're a Uber driver, you're a security guard, and you spend a lot of time in your car, and you don't want to have, ventilation or engine running, using energy for that, you can crack the window in the rain a little bit and get some fresh air and not suffocate, hopefully. Yeah, so I'll just leave you with some shots of my car with the window visors, rain guards installed. This is the third time I am installing window visors on one of our cars, and if it's your first time, don't rush it and just take it one step at a time and it will come out good.